We'll guide you through how to fix the photo image preview not working or showing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you found yourself looking at some photos or images and you aren't seeing the preview. You're just going seeing the file type. So you can see the photos, but it is useful to go and see what they are because often you can see the file names are just numbers here. So it's very hard to go and tell what they actually are. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about showing and fixing this. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. And then at the end, hopefully you're going to go and know. So any further ado, let's go and get into this. So what you want to do is you want to come into File Explorer. Now what you need to do is we need to come over to the right and you need to go and find the three dots like so to get see more. If your File Explorer is bigger, you may not need to go and do this. Go and click on those three dots like so, and you'll see a list of different options here. And then what we need to do is we need to come down and go and find the option for options at the bottom. We'll then go and get folder options that go and pop up like so. And you want to go at the top and you can go and press view. And then in here, you go and find the option, always show icons, never thumbnails, and that's on. So we can go and turn this off by unselecting it to the left. It's now off, and press apply in the bottom right. And that's it. We can press OK. You can now go and see, we can see the previews, which is really helpful.